All right, remainder and factor theorem. Just a little practice. Let's do well on this quiz. So for the remainder theorem, if I give you a long, obnoxious, function, and I say, hey, what is like f at 3? Instead of plugging 3 in and doing the work slowly, what I can do is I can do long division, synthetic division, I mean. And the remainder will give me the answer. Now be careful about any missing power. So we're missing x to the 4th, so there's a 0 there. And when I divide, that remainder will give me the answer I'm looking for. So I have 3, I got 9, I got 27, 25, 75, 79. Uh-oh, that's like 80 times 3, 240, 237. And if it gets a little bit high, I didn't mean to get an answer that got too high. I can still do this 911, and then get my answer. So if you have to do some multiplying on the side, you can, but do the work, and then that remainder, if you do it correctly, is the answer I'm looking for. So that's the remainder theorem. Now, the other one's the factor theorem. So if I give you a factor, and have something to factor out. So let me set up something here to be able to factor. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Here, let's try that again. I just like gave you the factors here. So just set this up. All right, so x cubed plus 9x squared plus 6x subtract 56. So there's a function. If I give you a factor, so let's say I'll give you the factor x plus 4. So x plus 4 is a factor. How can you completely factor it, and how can you tell me the zeros? So if I give you the factor, the 0 is negative 4, and we're going to use the 0. That's 1, that's 9, that's 6, that's negative 56. Be careful. If there's a missing power, again, you need to put a 0 in there. And then do the work across. You know if you did it right, if the remainder at the end is 0, what I'm left with is x squared plus 5x minus 14. So those two numbers are positive 7 and negative 2. They subtract to 5 and multiply to negative 14. So that in factored form, we have x plus 7, x minus 2, and then the factor you started with, which is x plus 4. And then for the zeros, you would say negative 7, 2, and negative 4. So that's what the quiz is on. Mr. G Math, good luck. Until next time.